All right, good morning. Day 7 of this. Now I know today's a bank holiday for Canada because we have Canada Day today, but I'm still good to trade Forex, USD, JPY, all that camaraderie. So let's do it. Let's hit another trade today. This time I'm actually gonna sit down here with the charts with you, and we're gonna pick our position now. I'm gonna silence my phone because it's really fucking pissing me off hearing this stuff. Do not disturb. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna find an entry. We're gonna find where we're gonna go to, and yeah, just gonna let that play out. So maybe I'll just video this the whole time, but let's just see what we got for today. Shift Command 5. And we're going now. So, all right. Yesterday, remember we hit that long? I think our take profit was around here. Maybe it was around here. But my original thought was, we broke the downside. We're making new lows, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Boom, look, we're almost breaking structure back to the upside, right? Which is what's happening. So I guess we could still look for longs today. But we did notice this liquidity sweep here, price coming up. Maybe we can try and find price already pushed through this, which can maybe come back to this little tiny daily. It's not really one. I guess you wouldn't really use that. I wouldn't use that. But we're in a fair value gap right now. Now, this here, I think, is going to depend on what's going to happen. So if we push down, we get confirmation that we're going to go down, all day, I'm taking short. All day. Because, up, look, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Boom, break structure. Liquidity sweep. We have a liquidity sweep. Price didn't even come back to this order block. Well, I guess it kind of did. If we look here, price, pushed up in here, went down. It's coming up again. Honestly, I don't know what we're going to do today, but it seems like we're going to have to wait it out. Let's just have a look. So we're bullish for the daily right now. 4 hour, we're major bullish. 1 hour, bull. 30 minute, bull. 15 minute, bull. 5 minute. Okay, so we're not going to go against what price is doing, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to look for a retracement. Now, I like the 4 hour. It seems like the 4 hour is, look at this. So we got, we're going up. We're still going down, but we have broken that structure now to the point where price is just... So where were we yesterday? I think we took out this high yesterday. Hold on, let me have a look. Because we were in the 5 minute. Gotta think. Yeah, we took out this high yesterday. Or was it this high? It was that high we took. So we went in here, took that out. Or no, we took this one. We took something out here. Now, look at us now, all the way up here. But the reason I think this is also happening is because the actual US dollar is going down. So, US dollar goes down. Let's go find Asian Open. Hold on. Where did our Asia session open? I'm thinking 6 o'clock p.m. is when it opens, really. Okay, Asia session right here. weird movements going on in the 5 minute. Major drop. Look at that. That's crazy. Was this yesterday? Or am I bugging? This is Sunday. I gotta go to Monday. Sorry guys, my bad. Monday, 6 p.m. Really, it opens at 7, but the Sydney opens at 6. 6 p.m. I think that is it. Okay, 6 p.m. We're bull. We're really bull for the day for the Asian market. I'm pretty sure it closed already at 4 p.m. 6 to 4 is Asia. This is Asian session. So up, higher high, higher low, 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 higher high, higher low. So why wouldn't we want to keep going up? But the thing is, where are we gonna go? Most likely to this order block. That's our next building block, I think. So, or it could be going to this big imbalance here. That's a major imbalance. We don't know what prices really want to do. You know what I mean? Right here is an order block. What the fuck? Right here is an order block. Is this still going? Yeah. And then right here, we have, seems like a daily fair value gap because we're on the 4 hour, but I don't know. I might be wrong. Let's have a look. I don't know. It's just a major. No, it's not really. We do have, ooh, look, but look at this. Right here, we have a nice, that's an imbalance. 4 hour. Let me just write these down. Because I gotta make sure 4 hour order block, 4 hour fair value gap, bearish. It's a bearish fair value gap. That's something to keep in mind too, because price. So we're gonna look for a long today, and we're gonna really try and take out this high. It's gonna be another short trade. We're not pushing in anything really, but these are our building blocks that we're gonna go to. Now I wouldn't really consider that. I guess it is kind of an order block because there's a liquidity sweep here, down. So we have an order block here as well. Okay, because it's the leg up that caused the leg down. So honestly, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait and see what happens. I guess you can't have. I don't know how it works. No, that's not. Because this is the liquidity sweep. Well, it's not really. This is the liquidity sweep right here. That's the leg up that caused it. So yeah, we're not gonna worry about that. I could be wrong, but we'll see. So I'm thinking we're gonna go. We're gonna keep going. And even London session opened where? Where's the London session opened at 3 a.m., which is right here. So look at that so far. So far, we're just really making work for it. So, is this recording? Good. So, what do we see here? We have an imbalance. We have a bullish imbalance. Price most likely will not come back down into this. But right now, we just need to keep picking out places so we can get an entry. Now, I don't really want to do this before New York Open. So I'm going to take a break. We're going to come back 20 minutes before market open, and we'll just see what happens. So we're going to get in right away is what I think. But anyways, I'll be back. Okay. Well, I got this streaming app. I don't know what it is, OBS, and I thought it was easier to use this than recording from my camera because this is what I use to record, this thing here. So I said, fuck it. Why am I using this? I can use that for other things. And I got my phone too here. But anyways, this is our setup. Bull, 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 bull. Look at price. Look what it wanted to do. It wanted to come up, but it could not push into here. And what is this? It's a 4 and 1 hour, same exact bearish fair value gap. So my thought process was, all right, we're gonna go back down. Now, it happened exactly what wanted to happen. Now, for us to come back up, I want to retest and then to start go down again. It's probably gonna go like that. That's my thought process. Now, I think I only have how much time of this? I don't even know. I got 15 minutes of this. So I'm not sure how this works and what it's going to show after when it's done. Anyways, I don't give a fuck. We're going up. We need a retest. We actually just dipped back into here. So let me set this up here now. Like, look, prices really hit in here. I'm thinking, I gotta stop putting too much into it. But that's my thought process here. We want a retest. Like, it's probably gonna chop, 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 boom, boom, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But also looks like doesn't want to go past this area. So honestly, I wouldn't mind that. If it can close below that, be nice. But you never know. Could be, coming down here as well to retrace back up. That's why my low is gonna be Asian high is my target. Now, I'm probably too late now, but we're gonna do this. Take profit. 3342. 3342 decimal 12. No, we're gonna retrace back up. I think this is gonna just go back up anyway, and if it does, then I know the plan really. This is kind of cool how this shit works. I might start streaming. I don't know. Take stop loss. I need 50 pips. So how many is this? That's 100 pips. So stop loss is going to be here, 3352. Decimal 05. Price is driving down. People are probably like, oh my God, I'm going to go in. I'm going to put my stop loss right here. I'm going to put it here because we're going down fully. Wrong. We're coming back up. We haven't really tested this yet. We got a reaction, went down, but that's not enough for me. Not even close to enough for me. I want to see if we can come back up in it and really, so it can really show that we are looking for price to drop. Yeah, I don't know what I'm just drawing shit now. But that's the plan. Most likely. Who fucking knows? Ooh, price opened up there. We did close below this. I don't really care about that. It's not a big deal for me. See, like, emotion right now would make me, what I usually would do is I go in, oh my God, it closed below that. It closed here. It's breaking structure. We're going down. I don't know what we're going to do because we're going back up. I really want discount. That's what I want. Stop loss still going to be there. But we already made a new, look, Legit. She's going. I guess this is a live trade, really. But I'm not in it yet. So I really want to get that discount. Honestly, why do I have it here? What am I doing? Where's the last? Oh my god, that's discount. See, look, we're going up. People might be stopped out above that high, thinking like, oh yeah, we're going down. Get stopped out for me, so I know it's a buy or I know it's a sell. Never know, it could be like look where we are right now. We're retracing right back up to that original spot that I wanted to happen. What do you see right now on the screen? Can you see my... Oh, you can't. Okay, so we got rejected again in that. See, the problem would be is if we pull through this, but it's a hard rejection off here. So I'm curious on this candle. So we're making lower lows, lower highs. This is just the start. Maybe we're starting to go down. Okay? This is our confirmation. Look what's going up. The US dollar is going up. We've been on a steady, chop, 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 chop. Now we're starting to go up. So my thought process with that as well is, when DXY goes up, we go down. I could be wrong. See, we're pushing through. See, I might not even take the short here. That would not be an order block. No, because we're already in a trend. So there's no liquidity sweeps when we're already in a trend. Right? Correct. But you see what I got marked out here? London Open, Asian close. I got an Asian Open here. But I'd rather target the Asian close than the open. Because I'm not 100% sure the effects. I don't know. Be honest with you. Not cool. See that hard rejection off that? I might just say fuck it. We don't get any money if we do this. So New York Open, Asian close, New York Open. Wait, hold on. London Open, Asian close was up here. Wouldn't I target the Asian low? No, it's way too far. What's this? Oh Jesus, that's the fucking Asian close. No, it's not. That is. Okay, 3. Take profit is 33330. This one 82. Or are we getting greedy here? I think we're getting greedy because we don't fully know what could happen. We'll see. We'll play out how it is. But price is getting rejected in our fair value gap right here. Bearish, bullish one here. Bearish here. So that's our look, small body. I'm hoping to see now when this closes in 7 seconds. It depends on what the next few can do. Now it's probably gonna be chop, 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 chop. But then when we break, we also gotta look at the big span of it too, like 15-minute. What's happening here? Yeah, see? Price came up, and even if it closed there, we could probably go for a short. But I want to see what this is. What are we in? Order block. Order block. Where's our equilibrium? Equilibrium. High to low. We're in equilibrium. So that means we're in an order block right now. That's an OB. Should have had that marked out. It's my fault. But yeah, retrace. Boom, and then go. That's what I'm thinking here. How much time we have left? We have 5 minutes left. Unfortunately. This bullshit, making me pay for it. DXY, what are you doing, buddy? Took a big drop. Actually, just then took a drop. Oh, but you see, we're coming into this. We have an order block here. The leg down that caused the up. Price came up, dipped into it, went. Come on, keep going. I want to see what you can do because you don't know what you want to do here. But I'm taking a sell here today, no matter what. Once I click this sell, I'm not fucking looking at it. Yeah, I probably will, but whatever. That's if I sell. What's our daily bias though? Bull. But we're in this part where I wanted to sell and take off. But whatever. I'm just going to keep looking. Even if I was to take that. Liquidity sweep is what I'm thinking anyways. I don't know. I can't see shit right now. I got everything too fucked up. What do we got? I only started executing on what's it called? 5 minute. I've been like this the whole time. I gotta fucking fix myself here. I wish I could look at this screen. I'll get a cam someday. I don't know. We'll see if I can come far with it. But that's the plan. And, keep going up, please, so I can get a bigger win. What is this? London Open will target? Because it's the most recent play. Because we're still in London session right now. But why would we go back down to London Open if we're bull? We don't know. We'll see. I want to test here. So rejections in this area. Seems like there's rejections in this area too. What's in line with that? What's going on back here? Okay, these need to close. No, I do need them open actually. Hold on. What's this? Still in that order block. But really the original order block is here. Oh geez, did we just take a big fall? Or a big jump? My price is being weird now. Being super choppy. So I don't know what to say about it. Anyways, I'm going to come back. I think I only have... Yeah, I got 20 seconds left of this. So... Oh, and 20 seconds left of this. Okay, when this candle closes, I got to stop this. I'll come right back, and I'll have to do the video with the camera anyways. I'm just curious to see what's going to happen. So... We got 14 seconds left here. If that closes again, small body wick like that, we're really going to have to wait for the next. I'm thinking, I don't know. Okay, that's enough. What are we at? New candle. I'll be back. All right, I have no stores left on my phone, but this is our trade recap. We're not even out of it yet. Have a look at this. Actually, I'm just going to show you here. This is where we're at. You can see we came in here. Our take profit is down here. London's or New York session closed. Asian session just opened. So we're going to ride this out. I'm going to get back to you tomorrow with an answer, and then also day 8. Don't think we're going to trade tomorrow because it's a bank holiday. But anyways, that's all for today. But we'll see what happens. I'm hoping that can maybe hit. If not, that's cool. But the buy is still what I thought was right. So I'm not too worried about it. And let's just keep going. Let's keep going. But yeah, take profit hit tomorrow.